Presenting a Growing Little Ones video. Hey guys, today we have the Elmo's World See and Say. And on this page we have numbers 1 through 10 and then different items. You have 1 moon, 2 shoes, 3 pajamas, 4 Elmo's World cell phones, and it goes on. And then on the other page you have all the different shapes and the colors of the shapes. So let's go ahead and see what it does. We'll start on 1. 1 moon. And there's the centerpiece, and it's Elmo. 1, 2.
3 pairs of pajamas. 1, 2, 3. Elmo loves to count.
And then we have 4 Elmo's World cell phones.
4 cell phones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, it's Elmo.
And it actually looks like this in real life. And its eyes pop open. And it's really cute. It's just neat that they actually have that toy on here. You can see it there with the eyes. But let's go ahead and go to 5 bananas.
5 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yummy.
And then you have 6 hats, 7 crayons, 8 flowers, 9 fish, and 10 stars.
10 twinkling stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elmo loves to jump with you from 1 up to 10. Hooray!
And you actually get a song on that one.
10 twinkling stars.
And let's turn the page. And we've got a triangle.
Green triangle.
Green triangle.
Blue rectangle.
Blue rectangle.
Yellow star.
Yellow star.
Black octagon.
Black octagon. And here's the question mark.
Find the diamond.
And he's saying find the diamond, even though it's a little hard to understand. And we got it right.
You found it. Diamond. Find the blue rectangle.
Find the blue rectangle. Let's see what happens if we get it wrong.
Yellow star. Oops. Try again, please. Find the blue rectangle. You found it. Blue rectangle.
So that's really neat. And then you have over here some more shapes.
One hexagon. Ooh, Elmo loves that one. Red square.
And then a pink heart, a purple diamond, and an orange circle.
Orange circle.
And so no songs on this page, but it's a really cute toy. And it was made in 2005 by Fisher Price. And I just wanted to show these 2 toys to you.
4 cell phones.
Let's open this one up.
Let's keep playing.
And you have the numbers. And this one makes it count.
Bye.
And Elmo's face changes depending on where you move it. But it's a really cute toy, and if you have any questions, place them in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there there is none, not even one. None righteous, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.